Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop delegates from receiving meeting invitations in Outlook on a Windows computer. If you share your calendar with assistants, coworkers, or team members through delegate access, Outlook may automatically send them copies of your meeting invitations and updates. While that can be useful in some situations, it can also create unnecessary inbox clutter or share information you'd prefer to keep limited to only the required attendees. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to manage delegate settings and stop those meeting invites from being forwarded automatically. Let's get started. First, open the classic Outlook desktop application on your Windows computer. It's important to use the desktop version of Outlook because delegate settings are managed there rather than in the simplified web version. Once Outlook is open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the window and click on the File tab. This area contains many of Outlook's account and mailbox settings. After clicking File, look for Account Settings. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your Outlook account configuration. From that list, select Delegate Access. Now, before we continue, let's quickly explain what delegates actually are. A delegate is someone you've given permission to manage parts of your Outlook account, such as your calendar, inbox, or meeting requests. For example, assistants or team coordinators often use delegate access to schedule meetings on behalf of someone else. However, by default, delegates can also receive copies of meeting invitations and responses, which may not always be necessary. Once you click Delegate Access, a pop-up window will appear showing all current delegates connected to your account. Take a moment to review the list carefully. If you no longer want a specific person to have delegate access at all, simply click their name and choose Remove. That completely removes their permissions from your Outlook account. But in many cases, you may still want them to manage your calendar while stopping meeting invitations from being forwarded to them. To do that, select the delegate's name and click Permissions. This opens a more detailed settings window where you can customize exactly what the delegate can access. Inside this Permissions window, look for the option related to meeting requests or meeting messages. You'll usually see a setting that controls how meeting-related information is delivered to delegates. To stop them from receiving meeting invitations, adjust the options so that meeting requests and responses are sent only to you rather than to your delegate. Depending on your Outlook version, the wording may vary slightly, but the goal is the same: preventing automatic forwarding of meeting invites. After making your changes, click OK to save the updated permissions. Then click OK again to close the delegate access window. At this point, Outlook will apply the new settings immediately. Going forward, delegates will still have the permissions you allowed, such as calendar access, but they will no longer receive unnecessary meeting invitations or updates. This can help reduce inbox clutter, improve privacy, and make your scheduling process much cleaner overall. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to stop delegates from receiving meeting invitations in Outlook on Windows. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more Outlook tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.